everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Amazon Platinum Mastercard accounts. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You can log into your Amazon Platinum Mastercard account by visiting chase.com website. Open up a web browser of your choice and in the web address bar, type in Amazon Platinum Mastercard login and press enter. From the search result, click on this link where it says Manage Your Accounts, Amazon Reward Cards, Chase.com. Once you open up the Chase.com website, you'll be able to set up your account, view account activity, add authorized users, and much more. Select any one option and then enter your sign-in credential on the next page to get access to your Amazon Platinum Mastercard. Type in your username correct in the first text box and type in your correct password on the next field. If you don't remember your username or password, click Forgot Username/Password and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. Finally, click the Sign In button and you'll be able to log into your Amazon Platinum Mastercard. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.